Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. Dear students, in today's video, we'll deal with the topic Watershed Management. Watershed may be defined as the land area from which surface water drains under gravity to a single outlet such as stream, a river or a lake. The rainwater flows from the ridge into nalas and finally collects in the ponds. This entire area with a common drainage is called as a watershed. This watershed is a geographic unit that collects, stores and releases water. Source of this water is rain, snow or coastal fog. It gets stored in ponds, lakes, subsurface soil and geological formations. Rivers and streams as well as groundwater flow. Each of them then releases this water. Watersheds are based on the geography of the area. A watershed is a land area where water flows across on its way to creek, stream, wetland, pond, lake or river. Watersheds are also called drainage basins or catchments because they drain and catch rain and somewhat water that falls on to land. They are defined on the basis of location such as the area contributing to a farm, pond or to lake contributing to the river at its mouth. The boundaries of the watersheds are determined by the elevation of the surrounding land, with the highest elevation points marking the boundary. Based on the size, shape, land use pattern and location, watersheds can be categorized into different groups. Based on size, it may be minimum from 1 to 100 hectares to macro more than 50,000 hectares. Based on shape, it may be fan shaped, near circular or fan shaped, that is elongated. Based on location, it may be a hill or flat watershed. It may be a highland, a tribal settlement or a settled cultivation area. In India, there are mainly three watersheds such as Himalayan range with its Karakoram branch in the north, Satpura and Vindhyan ranges in central India and Sahyadris or Western Ghats on the west coast. The hydrological conditions in watersheds are such that the water becomes concentrated within a particular location such as in a river or a reservoir by which the watershed is drained. The land area drained by a river is known as a river basin. The watershed comprises complex interaction of water, soil, landforms, vegetation and land activities. People and animals are integral part of a watershed and have mutual impact on each other. We may live anywhere, it would certainly be a watershed. Now we'll see the next unit, that is importance of watersheds. How the watersheds are important for the biosphere. Now watersheds play a crucial or important role in natural functioning of the earth. Hydrologically, watersheds integrate the surface water runoff of an entire drainage basin. Economically, they play a critical role as a source of water, food, recreational amenities and many more activities. Watersheds, water can be used for irrigation, power generation, transportation, etc. These also influence sedimentation and erosion, vegetation growth, floods and droughts. Ecologically, watersheds constitute a critical link between land and sea. They provide habitat within wetlands, rivers, and lakes for 40% of world's fish species, some of which migrate between marine and freshwater systems. Now, the next unit of our video is Objectives of Watershed Management.